Yo, what's up, guys? I think it's working now. Yep, looks like it's working. Hopefully. Oh, come on, show me a screen. It's just double checking it's all working, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah, that all seems good. Alright, guys, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. I've actually changed from over from Twitch, but actually, let me quickly get the link and share it on the Discord. Let me just quickly go here. Alright, so there's the link. Yeah, guys, I've been doing this on Twitch, lately, but I'm going to start doing live streaming, of coding Department of Justice roleplay and other things, on live stream just to see how we go there. But what I'll do is we'll go here. I'll quickly jump over to here, start advertising here. Let me just quickly advertise this, guys, and we'll jump straight into it. But let's see this. I'll go like this. Alright, hopefully it actually posts the video. I think it does. Oh, yep. There we go. Nice. Alright. I'll jump over to here. I can put this one here because it's a Department of Justice roleplay. So I'll put that there. Jump over to here. Make sure these trolls get to have their knickers in a twist this morning. So there you go, guys. Have a knickers in your twist there. You know, a little knot, and you get your knickers in a twist. But anyway, hopefully it's working good. So I'll put that there. Yeah, everything's working good. How you doing, Dracula? Welcome from Libya, mate. How you doing? Is the audio and visuals all good? Let me know. Yeah, guys, we're actually nearly there. I'm almost finished Department of Justice roleplay. So really, all that needs to be done is this, which is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to try and do a couple of these, fix all these, couple of additions here, fix the cargo, pretty much make the pilot system and the truck system a bit more realistic. And yeah, this is pretty much everything that it's going to have. So by the time I do this, in the next devlog, I'll be showcasing what I do here, and also like a couple other additions I might do, and then the next devlog after that would be me showcasing pretty much all the finished products because I need to create all the ammunitions. I've only created so many. I've only created so many stores. I've only created so many fuel stations. I need to create all them, so that's going to take me a bit of time. But once that's done, and then I create all the commands, I'm pretty much done, and the server will be up. So yeah, it's happening, guys. We're getting there pretty quick, but yeah, we'll jump straight into this. So let me jump over to here. Let's see if he's improved. Yeah, we'll jump online. We'll see if I have improved, mate. Alright, let's go. So, alright, we're here, but let me just chill out with you guys for another 30 seconds while I have a cigarette, and then we'll jump straight into it. So I've been doing this on Twitch, but I've only got 50 followers over there, so I'm only getting like 50 views, and my videos don't stay up permanently, which is stupid. They only stay up for like a week or two. So now I'm just going to start doing them here because, I realised the Department of Justice roleplay series is actually on YouTube, so I might as well do the live stream as well on YouTube. But yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and like your name will show up on screen because I'm actually using Streamlabs with the alert box and that. So yeah, your name will actually pop up on the screen when you subscribe. Similar to how do you configure Sublime script? What you mean compile? Pretty much. What is it? It's where is it? Preferences, and then you go to, is it settings or browse packages? Wait, browse settings. What you do is go preferences, package controls, I believe, and then settings. No, that's not it. Preferences. compiler settings, or edit build settings. This is where then you get this, right, and that's where you put your directory for your like for the porno include, and then you just do Control Shift B, and it will do the build. And as you see, it takes about 17 seconds to compile this script, but you'll see it compile. It'll compile. So, but yeah, if I didn't have any of these, it'd probably compile in half the time. But for some reason, adding just one of these libraries just makes compile time massive. As you can see, compiled. So, but yeah. That's how you do it, man. So let me jump straight into it. What do we got here? So basically just a couple more fixes I need to do here. That's a critical one. Revamp bit, that's another one I've got to do. So these are probably the hard ones, but make sure there's a limit for the houses. So we'll jump into that one. Server, housing. I'd have a function here for it. No, I obviously don't have a limit, so I'd have to do it here. Yeah, right here I have to do it actually. You don't have enough money to buy this house, or you have too many houses, bro. How many houses do you want? Alright, so alright. So this is where I've got to do it. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to make how many houses you own, pretty much. Yeah, I'll save the owner to the database, so I'll save it back to here, so I can just loop through and see how many of these exist. Stock, get owned house count. For the player ID, so now we'll loop through existing houses. We will check if the house is, oh wait, house active. I don't really need this because these are the active houses. Oh wait, I need that to determine actually if they don't exist. So if the house is not on fire, doesn't matter if it's active. That's how I determine you know, like which one's the next house ID, which is like get free house ID up here. Wait, get owned house ID. Oh wow, this is all gonna be revamped because that's not gonna work. That's just like finding the first house with their name in it. Oh, I have to rethink that. Oh wait, no, I'm wrong. That would determine, and this will get their house owning a house ID that they're in, because if they're within 100 meters of the interior, then I return the house ID. That's the house ID they're in. So return house ID. I just need to obviously look for active ones. I don't even know why I need to do that check. I don't need to do this check. I just need to do a scanf check. So I open up another script. String compare. House owner. Player name. Player ID. Name. Size of. Alright. Let's make a count. Get earned house count. Count will be that. We'll go Bazinga here. And we'll go Pashinga. So get earned house count. Any objections, guys? Any objections? Yo, what's up, Sinky? Get house city. Yeah, that's like what I do is when I create the houses, I specify which city it is, just so I can determine what hospital to spawn them at if they die inside the house. So that is just a little extra value thing. Yeah, get house city. Yeah, get house city, bro. Oh, yeah, get house city. Like I probably could use this thing, but the house city. That's how I determine what hospital to what's here, mate. Because down here, as you can see, where is it? Create house. I need to specify the city. So instead of trying to, it's really like there really isn't any other way to work it out. So if you can tell me to work out what city they actually die and determine of where the exterior is, tell me, bro, because I'd love to know. But anyway, guys, Helen Kashi, anyone that's not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and your name should pop up. I want to test it, so if anyone can do that, that'd be great. But anyway, where am I? Where is it? Get owned house count. Alright. Existing houses. House count. Same as the name. That's 1, 2, 3. There we go. Here I can make. I should make it so you can only have one house if you're not a VIP. So. So one house, so I can make it so you can have 3 houses as a VIP. So 3 houses as a VIP more equal to 3. So that means they have 3 houses. Else they're not a VIP. They can only have 1 houses. Can only own a max of 3 houses at a time. Sell one first. 1 houses at a time. Yeah, I guess that's gonna work. Ha! Is anyone losing their mind yet? Open a folder so you see all the files. I've got the files here. These are my files here. Like there's the main and my files here. I don't mind. That is my folder. It's already open anyway. So I don't know what you're trying to say, but Divine Adjust Roleplay. Alright, so now we've got our house limits. So there's another VIP feature. You can own up to 3 houses as a VIP. and one house has a non-VIP. Alright, that's just gonna work, isn't it? See if that compiles. Oh, I found this new energy drink, Rockstar. It's beautiful, the mango flavor. Alright, so there's the limit. As you can see, everyone losing their mind. But yeah, I love it. I love every second of it. Alright, double check command call down timers work properly. That's something I wanted to check. So where did I put it? Oh, I've obviously done it correctly because I had done this. But I'll check it anyway. Yeah, that's done. Yeah, I've done it properly. So global radio. Global radio. See? Ah, I'm not doing it right. So there's global radio. Is radio done? Help, which will be oh, help's done. Report done. Escape and break out. Corrections. There's breakout. And escape. Done. Alright, that's all done now. Nice. Nice. As you can see, just a few touch-ups. So the last major thing I did was, as you can see, what I was doing then, I changed it. I was using the timer enum throughout the script, but now what I've done is I'm not using anything. Everything's in their own specific file now. Like you know, when I need some enum value from here, like possibly I'll make a function and get that value and set that value, so then I can, you know, set it and whatever down here. So technically you should be able to remove most of these modules and without any errors. So that was the last major update, and there's only one more major really update that I'm going to do right before I might put the server up as an English version, get it all tested as English, and then I want to add 5 languages. I want to make sure that there's going to be 5 different languages. There's going to be Russian, well, English, predominant language, Russian, Portuguese, Indonesian, and Filipino. Make a notification for firefighters. Alright, let's do that. Get rid of that, still made in. Notification for firefighters. Services. Wait, is that gonna... So this is sort of a bit... I've got to redo this. Like, what happens is the houses will create within 10 minutes. And then if a player leaves, I'm not sort of destroying the fires for another 10 minutes. Just so, you know, players can't sort of... I think I have to do it that way, just so there's not like fires being created, then someone leaves and all of a sudden the fire disappears. So I think up to 10 minutes your house can be on fire. Get a fire create, maybe I can alert. No, because it's creating the 10 fires in one hit. Then it destroys the fires after 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes it will create up to 10 fires. 10 minutes is I don't know. I'm gonna have to... Yeah, I'm not gonna send them a message. They're just gonna have to type fire. Yeah, I'm not doing that. And Y command, this is a bit of a funny one because I don't know what the format is. Can someone tell me what the format for Y commands is? Like in the comments, please, because what I'm doing is I'm using is it Y command? What is it, guys? Do you know? Yeah, I finally actually got a proper logo done. As you can see, it's a professional logo done there. Where's Dobby's gamer tag? What an onkage. But anyone know what the Y commands format? Which one it is? Because yeah, what is it? Because it's still made in. Don't use Y command. Y command. Oh, that's why it wasn't working, because of this parameter. That stupid parameter. What's this help parameter? That's why it wasn't working for me before. Is that gonna work? Hopefully it does. That's why it was I couldn't work it out before. Like, there needs to be some more clear documentation for like all this YSI library. There is none. If there is, it's so hard to find. It's ridiculous. You know, give us something to work off. You can't expect us to work it out ourselves. Well, there, it's working. Is that actually gonna work? That looks scary to me. Help is for some help command. It's not documented very well. I just want to use Y command because I'm actually using Y commands. It's just an OCD thing. But before I even bother, I'm going to check that actually works. That command. So what I'll do is I'll jump straight in. Hopefully Streamlabs is going to like crash like with all this shit open. And yeah guys, you haven't seen it yet, but I've created a master account system where you pretty much log in as any name and you can create master accounts. I think I've got to make a limit for that too. You can have 2 accounts as a normal one, and I'm going to have, so you can have 3 or 5 accounts as a VIP. Oh, that's finally working the message. Nice. Alright, load character. As you can see, look. Oh no! Oh. Alright, I'll show you anyway. But as you could see, I could load my character. You can create, like, practically when you first join, you create a character. So this means so you can have a character or a life, as a police officer if you wanted to, and another life as a criminal sort of thing. Alright, see, create character sort of thing, like that. Tells you to put the first name and that in. You can delete the characters, and load characters obviously. So I'll load this guy. Commands, it's working. Nice. Look at this mess. Look at this absolute mess, like next ACs. Look at this. Thinks I'm dialogue hacking. What a mess it is, bro. Absolute mess. Alright, there we go. Now I've got to convert Y commands. Let me just have a quick, yeah, so that's where we're at, guys. Y commands. Any objections? Alright, Y command, here we go. Oh. Why is help a variable too, not a string? Like, isn't it part of a parameter? Oh, what am I doing, man? Alright, let's just double check that works. Custom hacking detection. I use NextAC, bro. There is no custom. Like, it's a mess. Like, NextAC doesn't even work. It thinks you're like teleporting when you actually spawn, like for the first time and shit. It's ridiculous. Line 114. Oh. Ha ha! Thanks, bro. Welcome in. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't know what's going on there. Like. Alright. Compile again. I gotta get a second screen, man. I've got one. I just haven't set it up. Like, I've got like 3 screens and like. I actually write it before I copy and paste it. You floop. You floop head. I actually write the code before I copy and paste it. With my tutorials, I get code, I get it working, and then I grab blocks of code and put them into steps, and then I teach it a tutorial using those steps. So at the end of the tutorial, I know the code works. You clown, do you understand that? Akashi69. Clowns, you're brain dead. The things you use grab are the most ridiculous things. Like my last tutorial, you actually grabbed the block of code I didn't even create, and you're like, oh my god, why are you using the code like this? Because I don't want to take the credits away from someone that made the function for me. Why would I remove their credits just to modify it to satisfy you, bro? You couldn't even find any bit of my code that was wrong, but you jumped all over his code. You're idiots. 30-year-olds going off at 15-year-olds because they don't have 10 years experience. He's idiots. He's got no life. Alright, now where are the rest of the commands? Not there. Now a couple bit of proper coding here with these next ones. But I'll see if that compiles. Looks like it will. Alright, nice. I'm just going to double check that. Double check the commands. And yeah, guys, I'm going to be I'm like trying to work. I'm going to do live streams as often as I can every couple of days, and I'm also going to be like I'm doing about one video a week, but I'm going to try jump up to about 2-3 videos a week, so one every couple of days. Okay, that's not working. Report. I hope that is an actual bug. Yeah, I hope that's an actual bug. It looks like it anyway. The report is just not working for some reason. Report's not having a bar of it. Oh, I don't even notify. I don't even notify them that they actually got a message sent. Huh. Oh my god, I returned the function! Oh, lose your mind! Alright, shit. Yeah, that should be right. The string is 144 knots. Alright, so that should be good. Let's just quickly jump in and see if that got done. The timers are working anyway. Look at this mess. Alright. Alright, report should now tell me that I've reported myself. I should make a thing saying you can't report yourself. I'll just see if it's working anyway. You just reported me for test. Wait. Timers are working, very nice. Alright, that's done, that's done, that's done. Very nice. Now those in place, see that's something I need to work out, because that was just a fucking problem. These ones. Aha. Alright, actually I'll get into these ones and we'll get into some proper coding now. Let me just make sure that compiles. Get rid of that. Everything's going good here by the looks of it. Yep. And we've been going for 40 minutes. Rest in peace, nickname Akashi69, eh? What's this? 6 concurrent viewers at one stage. This is doing a lot better than the Twitch streaming. No one was really saying it. I don't even know how people find like Twitch streams and that. Yeah, like I just created that so you can't report yourself from doing what? Can you open up a side folder in Sublime? You kidding? How do I do that? How do I open up the sub folder? That would actually be cool. So it's like this Visual Studio Code. Like I can't get this to compile for some reason. Like where is it? It's here in it. See how you open the folder and that. If Sublime's got that, that'd be so dope. How do I do that? How do you do it? I don't know how to do it. You gotta tell me. I'll wait for it to catch up to you. Oh, I'll check it later. And if I have to keep opening the folder, it's not even going to be worth it because, like, look, all my shit is in multiple folders. I guess I can have the folders there and that. Like, maybe, here we go, view. Hide tabs. Hide status bar, hide menu. Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make the hauling, the trucking system a bit more realistic. Because right now, all I'm doing literally is doing like a random amount and saying you have moved some random amount. So the way I'm going to do it is if they've got a trailer, right, it would determine what so the ones I got is this one, that one, that one. You know, so this will move petroleum. This will move like, you know, white goods or something. This can move ore, you know, rock, earth. And this can be in like more products, you know, like TVs and all that sort of stuff. So what I've got to do is I've got to get vehicle trailer, or is trailer attached to vehicle first. So on player finish haul, I can just do it all here actually. Get vehicle ID. Well, I know they're in a vehicle, so maybe it's not the safest way to do that. Use trailer attached to vehicle. This is where we do the determine the cargo. Else, say they don't have a trailer, they're just in a truck, they can sort of maybe, you know, deliver paperwork. So deliver heavy cargo. You know, something like that, guys, you know what I mean? And then, if the vehicle is the trailer ID, get vehicle trailer ID. Trailer ID. The trailer ID, then if the trailer ID equals this. Alright guys, look, I won't go if trailer ID equals, I will go switch trailer ID. Oh my god, that's so professional now. Alright, wait, case 0. Or case 435 I should say. Is that even gonna work? Is that a good way to do it? This is the article trailer. The article trailer, determine cargo. Any objections, people? Any objections? File open folder. Oh. Oh. Oofed. That's pro as. Oh, that's super pro. But what happened to my? Alright, wait. So just okay. What? See, I can't open my. Oh. Wait, do I just go like this? See, now it's not working. No, it's dodgy as. That's super dodgy. Alright, so what do you reckon of this bit of code, guys? Drag the project folder in the subline. Oh, brother! Mad, mad, mad. Actually, I don't want that one. Actually, no. Remove the folder. How do I remove folder from project? That's boss mode, man. That is so dope. That's so dope, man. Yeah, that's super dope. Yeah, that's alright. I like that. It's I don't like it. It's full throws everything out. Yeah, no, I don't like it. Alright, any objections on this bit of code here, guys? As you can see. Should I be doing switch? Let me know in the comments if you guys like this type of live streams. Like, I don't think many people do these type of live streams. Yeah, I always use switch if I can. The only way I can't use switch is You know, like using an enum value for like the checkpoint IDs, and then you can't switch to check the enum values. You know what I mean? You have to use if statements. Yeah, I'll be doing them every day or so. So I might try to do one every 2 days, every day or so. Like I'm gonna be working all day, every day on pumping out videos. Like I've only been doing about a video a week, so I'm gonna try to do 2, 3 videos a week plus a live stream or two. You know what I mean? So every day or so, you'll be seeing something happening on my channel. And I've also got an idea of this totally new content where I react to GTA logic videos where I explain what I understand of how it works from my 10 years experience in working with the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas engine. I've also worked with 5M and Grand Theft Auto 5 engine, so I know a lot of what's happening, you know, under the hood and people that sort of don't understand. And also been noticing this large YouTuber literally making clickbait videos, but I worked out he's actually using mods, like, or getting someone to create mods, you know, to for those big clickbait title videos and that. So I don't know, might react to that, might react to other things. I'm thinking about reacting, you know, programmer reacts to GTA logic and all that sort of stuff, and try to get some more content that can be more for everyone else. And I don't have an English accent, it's Australian, so I'm Australian. And I thought my accent was pretty thick and harsh apparently, so but yeah, so yeah, if they don't get a trailer, they just deliver paperwork, so it makes sense, you know, they could put paperwork in the cabin sort of thing. So there we go, we got 435, which is the article trailer. The second article trailer is number 450. Article trailer number 2 is the petrol trailer 484, 584, 584, 584. There's the petrol trailer. Alright, there's the petrol trailer. Alright, so petrol trailer. Article trailer 3, 591. 591. So these article trailers are just like goods, like white goods, TVs, electronics. 591 is article 3. Alright. See, I think this is a bit too high. So now I can work out how many tons of something. So you're probably going to lose your mind over this. Is that even how you spell electronics? Oh, nice. Oh, nice spell check within Sublime. I fucking love it. Alright. Determine. Oh, alright, whatever. Alright, so electronics, petroleum, petroleum, Article 3 can be, wait, which ones? So this can be like cold, maybe food, like, cause that's like a refrigerated container. So this would be like uh frozen food. So petroleum, Article 2 can be earth. Article 2 is earth, and that can be white goods. So Article 2 we'll just call it. White goods, dirt, petroleum, electronics. Alright. So white goods, dirt, petroleum, electronics. That one there is Article 1. Yeah, white goods. There we go. So you have completed the whole and moved 10 tons of white goods for rah rah rah. But this one, imagine like 6 tons of paperwork. um, is that how you spell gallons? How do you spell gallons, guys? You have moved 50 tons of white goods, 50 tons of dirt, 50,000 gallons. 1,000 gallons. Gallons. 1,000 gallons of petroleum. That would make sense, I guess. Yeah, it's gonna work. Tons of paperwork. You've moved 50 tons of white goods, 50 tons of dirt, 50,000 gallons of petroleum, 50 tons of electronics, 100 pounds of paperwork. That is just going to make sense. At least that makes a little bit more sense, and it's sort of determined to what trailer you got. So else if they got a vehicle attached to the trailer, else they don't. What do you reckon, guys? Is that alright? What do you reckon? Ah. Oh, is it? Yeah, but I'm not the weight, like how much in, because I'm thinking of liters, because I'm from Australia, so I'm thinking, you know, liters, 1,000 liters of something. So 1,000 gallons would just mean it's 4 times the amount of liters. So I think, you know, 10,000 gallons of petroleum, you know, 50,000 gallons of petroleum or something, it will sort of make sense. You know, 50 to 50, so it'd be 50 to 100 of each. We'll see if that works. I'm just going to have to test it anyway, because I need to test to see if the clock on and clock off works as well. But what I'll do actually is I'll create myself a command to make it life so much more easier. So what do I need? I can go truck depot, truck depot, let's go there like that. Beautiful. Alright, I'll go in and test this quickly. Around 166 gallons of petroleum per ton. You reckon that's too much for a standard petroleum tank? Can you Google how much petroleum fits in a petroleum tank? Like an 18 wheeler petroleum tank? One error. Trailers never used in trailer ID. 92 and 91. 92 and 91. So vehicle ID is used, and then trailer ID obviously is not used. So there. That's what I hate about 5M and Lua. Like, those typos are so typical when you're coding, and you won't know until you actually run the script and see it doesn't work. It's ridiculous. Alright. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Your name will pop up on the screen on the stream. Hopefully I don't need a degree. Okay. Alright. I just gotta go over here. No, it's in JavaScript. Alright. I just need to go to the university and grab some degrees. So pretty much when you join a server, the first thing you want to do is go and straight to the university, get any degrees you need, any licenses. So the degrees you can get for free is the enforcement degree. You can get licenses. So what do I need? I need a truck license. Need that as well. Get the gun license as well. And I might have to test that too. Okay, I think there's another bug. Yep. I need to fix that for some reason. Alright. But at least I can still test. We're gonna have a little drive. Engine on. Alright, let's go. You can grab petroleum. So it's sort of optional to grab one of these. Don't have to. If you don't grab one, you're just delivering paperwork. Oh, welcome to the new subscriber. Oh yeah, hey, thanks for the subscribe. Sorry I missed your name there. Zentasuken. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but thanks for the subscribe, man. Welcome to the channel. This is the #1 place for SAMP content. Oh, alright, I got it. Very nice. Very nice. Alright. Ocean docks. That's only just down into the city, so it's not much of a drive. Let me know. It actually should be, all the audio should be as good, perfect, because I converted, because I'm using Streamlabs now. I was using OBS before, but when I connected to Streamlabs, they let me convert, take all my settings from OBS pretty much straight over and convert it over. Yeah, so pretty much you can be a truck driver, a pilot, a miner, become a police officer, CIA agent, army soldier, paramedic, firefighter. Sort of ran out of ideas to add, so I'm pretty much almost there, guys. So in the next couple of weeks, I assume that I'm going to have the server up and we'll be able to test it all out live, because I want to heavily test it on hosted tab with hundreds and hundreds and thousands of registrations, and constantly specking players, watching what they find, any bugs. I'm going to have testers running amok through it, just you know, finding bugs left and right, because I've got some good testers that have helped me out with previous scripts and that. So they're actually pretty switched on and know how to find bugs and trigger bugs and all that sort of stuff. So Ocean Docks is just down near the airport, so hopefully my script will work properly. But yeah, you can't get any more realistic than this, man. Like, you know what I mean? It's a SAMP server, you know? Like, and there's only four truck depots. You can see we're going past the fire brigade for LS. You can see it's where you clock on and that. There's the hospital just over there. There's not many icons on the map, as you can see, because I've only created one of each thing, sort of, you know what I mean? Like, there's going to be a nightclub there. Yep, destination Ocean Docks, not very far away. Alright, not far, it's just around the corner now. Very nice. Oh! Took that corner pretty sharp. Alright, here we are. Let's see if I actually deliver some petroleum. You've moved 75 something. Oh! Oh, okay. Something's wrong anyway. 75 something. What? Something's happening. Why? Oh, why is that not working? Alright, we have a bit of a pickle. I better turn the engine off. What? How am I not in a tanker and road train, bro? Oh, yeah. Alright, something's happening. Alright, something's terribly happening. I don't know what the hell. I could get away with 32. Like, why isn't that? What? So this is not working by the looks of it. The switch is not working, guys. I'm gonna have to use if statements. Yeah, I know. I actually seen a video about that last night. Yeah, you got to like if you use the filters, you can actually you can actually get it pretty good. Typically, the capacity of petroleum fuel tanks range from 9,000 to 8,000 gallon capacity. Uh, you mean like in the function that you lost your mind over? Maybe not you, but other guys. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry, I just had to go to the toilet. Use the default case and print the trailer ID. Why do you have to cross half the map to debug that? Yeah, because there's like if I exit the truck, it will cancel the whatsy. But anyway, so the switch station is not matching any case. Maybe I'm getting the trailer IDs wrong. I'm not, but the vehicle model ID. Oh, the model. Wait. Get vehicle trailer. What the fuck does that return, man? The vehicle ID of the trailer. Or 0 if no trailer is attached. Oh, so this is so I have to go like this. So is a trailer attached to a vehicle? Get trailer. Um hmm. um yeah, any ideas guys or what do I do here? What do you mean a dynamic vehicle ID? Shit, I don't know what the fuck to do here. Cause it's gonna actually. Oh wait, it will return 0. It can't return 0 because it's already got this. Use trailer attached to vehicle. Get by vehicle ID. I want to do a safe check here, man. Just so, like. So if they're in a vehicle, else they're not in a vehicle. Oh, else they're not in a vehicle. No, that's just gonna be weird. So if they've got a trailer attached, I'll get the trailer ID, I'll switch the trailer ID, and this is not working for some reason. I reckon if I do if statements, it'll fucking work. I betcha. So what do you reckon, guys? Low latency stream. I don't think I can change that now, man. You gotta store it when you attach it. Serious? But they attach automatically. So like, how am I meant to determine if it's been attached? Is trailer attached to the vehicle? Else they haven't got a trailer attached to the vehicle. I have no idea. What's the time where you guys are now? All you guys watching? let me know in the comments so I can determine what times I should go on, because I'll be going online around 9 or 10 a.m. and it's 9:30 a.m. now. So whatever the time is now, this is the times I'll be streaming. 6 concurrent viewers, that's pretty good, I guess. But I don't know. I'm just gonna fucking try this, bro. Look, fuck this switch statement, man. Oh, maybe the trailer ID. Fuck, I don't know. We'll just try this. We'll just try this. I'll do what you reckon I should do here. That looks so dodgy. If this doesn't work, I know they're the wrong IDs. Alright. That's gotta fucking work. Alright. And there's no fucking trucks. Shit. Oh well, I'm just gonna have to fucking. Wait, I'm a truck driver. Oh, get fucked. Oh, get fucked. I guess it's not far. Oh, it's even further. Just a little OCD change, guys. Well, another trip to good old Ocean Docks. It's only going to be a minute or two. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy the streams. I'm going to be doing these really often, so might even do one tomorrow. So see how this one goes today. But what I want to do when I finish the stream is I want to start working on a couple of videos, get all them ready. These are just the last little fixes I need to do before I start working on the next devlog. And it's been about 3 months and we're nearly done guys, like 3 months. I was estimating about 6, but I've done it in half the time. Been doing it for 10 years, I might as well start showcasing it and teaching you all what I know. I might not know everything that wireless knows and all that sort of stuff, but I'll teach you what I know. And if it works, it works. It's a human thing to do. If it works, we keep using it. If you're worried about real small inefficiencies in a SAMP game, like a 15-year-old game, you're a clown. That's what I say. An absolute clown. But that's enough. That's enough for the hateages. I call them views. They're nothing but views. Like, how is that a fire department? Like, look at the shop front windows. Apparently, that's the fire department in LAS. Like, if this works, I'm gonna laugh my ass off. But it will actually say that I've moved electronics if the IDs are wrong, they're incorrect. It must be the model ID. I must have to get model ID. Alright, moment of truth. Yeah, the IDs are wrong. 100%ers. See how I did that else statement here? Look how pro I am. Oh, I'm so pro. Look at this. Because I did that, it told me what's the problem. These trailer IDs are not the right IDs. So what do I got to do? So these IDs are not the right IDs. So I can't use a switch statement because I need to determine that. So it'll be get vehicle model. Vehicle model. Get vehicle model. Get vehicle model. Oh guys, what's going on? Have you figured it out? I haven't. So the like this is working, but then these are not right. The vehicle ID of the trailer. 10F, no trailer attached. Jesus Christ. Ah. Alright, someone help me with this. What's going on here? uh, why isn't this not working? Use get vehicle model. I was thinking that, but so what a useless function that is. Use get vehicle model. Get vehicle model. That should work. I hope that's gonna work. Rest in peace to the massive trip I gotta take now back to the fucking depot. It's gotta work anyway, so, and I won't be able to use the switch statement because you can't switch. Oh wait, I can switch the model ID, yeah, so that will work. I just gotta make a default just to be for a safeguard. But this is bound to work right now, so this will be the last time I've got to do it. I don't think that's going to work what I just did. For some reason it's not going to work. It's not even going to work what I just did. That's not going to work, is it? Oh wait. Like this. Like this. That's how I'm meant to be doing it, isn't it? Like that? What do you reckon? Yeah, what I've got now I think is the right one. I think is that how you want me to do it, man? I'm pretty sure that's the only way it's gonna actually work. Xanton sucking, bro. What do you reckon? You check my code. Be right back in 2 minutes. Yeah, it is with the delay, man. I think it is about 30 seconds or 15 at least. But what do you reckon, man? Is this gonna work? I think that actually might work now. Oh well, we'll find out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on this second screen, guys, just so I can have your chat on one side and that. Yeah, or your trucker still. Another OCD thing, guys. I just don't want I want like each message to have its own color, so it doesn't double up, you know, two white ones. So the note will now be yellow, and then the server will be white. Then if I jump out, it'll be orange, and when I you know, when I deliver, it'll be yellow. But this only takes a couple minutes, guys. So go more normal route. This ain't my normal route. What am I talking about? Yeah, guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and you'll pop up on screen. So it's like I've got the alerts working with Streamlabs and that. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. There's about like 70% of my viewers are not subscribed, so only 20% of yous are subscribed, and that's about almost 500 of you. So there's another, you know, there's heaps of yous that aren't subscribed, sort of thing. So. Oh my god. The things you do to debug scripts. I've probably done this trip about 100 times now. Previously and today. Oh. I like how you can kick the trailer out and that. Watch me just hang it around this corner. Oh shit! Alright, here we are, guys. We're almost there. Ocean Docks Truck Depot. And I've used actually all the truck depots really around the map. There's only about 4 of them. Well, there's one in each city, pretty much. Plus the one that's in Blueberry. Oh, it's working! Very, very nice. 92,000 gallons of petroleum. Very nice. I've got to adjust all the payments and all that, all the money and all that. But it's working now, guys. There we go. You have completed the haul and moved 92,000 gallons of petroleum. Very nice. I am very happy with that. Yes, I am very happy. Alright, that's done. Alright, that's done. Alright. Now we can fix up this, which should be pretty quick. Getting into the coding a bit more here. So, server, pilot. Now I've got to determine, here we go. This is how I can, this is where I want to determine what they're in. So, what models did I use? These ones. $5.19. Alright, $5.19 is a Shamel. Alright, Shamel. 553. is in Nevada. 553 Nevada. No, that's not gonna work. 553 is in Nevada. These are the flights. So if they're in a small, like a Shamel will only deliver so many passengers compared to like a, you know, an Adronima or whatever those massive planes are, like a massive passenger plane. So now we've got 553. We need 577, which is this one. This is the one I'm talking about, the AT400. 577. 577. AT400. See, this one's going to have the most passengers that you can deliver. 577. 511. A Beagle. The Beagle. And 593. A Dodo. Should I even be doing that? One passenger, I guess. Or is that a one-seater? Oh, there's 2 seats. Alright, so 1 passenger for him. Dodo 593. This one can be the how many people can fit in a Beagle? Two. So 1. A Shamel 519. Seats? Oh, there's got to be like, I reckon about 4, 8. It's about 8 people, I reckon. 4 to 8. Passengers. Nevada is the same. 553. I reckon 6 to 12 people for the Nevada. The AT, how many fucking will fit in that one? 577. Number of seats 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. I reckon there's about 100 people can fit in there. So anywhere from like 100 to 150. Oh wait. The Dodo is obviously 1 seater. Alright. Or just automatically be 1. Alright. That's pretty much how I can do it. Just determines how many passengers are in the plane. Sort of thing. What do you reckon, guys? Oh, switch get vehicle trailer ID. Oh yeah, I can go back and do that. Yeah, that should be good. Better? How you like that? I even done a default for you. That should be good. Yeah, that's gonna work good. MPV. Data. Does that look better? Alright, so I really don't have to do these because it's already set to 1, but just in case you want to change the passenger amounts here, we can do it. So let's see if that compiles. Oh. Almost there, guys. With those couple fixes and we're absolutely done. Bro, you would fucking fall over if you heard me rap. Like, man, so salty these people. Like 30-year-olds just getting triggered at 15-year-olds. Not that I'm 15 years old, you know. I'm one of the 30-year-olds, but I don't get triggered at everyone's code. Online all day just getting triggered on Discord. Alright, anyway. So, yeah, compiles. Beautiful. Beautiful. Make sure tables are getting deleted properly upon character creation. That is the next one. That is the next one. What is it? It's in accounts, that's right. Delete. Character delete. This is where we're at. The fuck? I'm not even deleting shit. Oh wait, here's where you verify it. Alright. I need to be deleting these things properly now. Who's char ID? Oh yeah. Oh wait. Right, so I need to remove all of these bad boys. Need to remove them and all these. Is there like a super pro way to do this? Deleting all the character IDs? Anyone with some intelligence watching? How you doing, Ultra, mate? If you guys are watching and you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You will pop up on the screen. So if you want to be in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, you can. So you probably want to be tons instead of pounds in the default case. Yeah, I know, but you can't have tons of paperwork in a cabin. You know what I mean? You can only have pounds of paperwork in a cabin. Like, I'm using paperwork as in when there's no trailer, you've got to be able to fit something in the cabin. So maybe you're just a truck driver delivering some paperwork. You know what I mean? What else can it be? It's just to make it sort of make sense. You know what I mean? But it looks like I'm just gonna have to delete everything. Like this. Is there a better way to do this, guys? If there is, let me know. Because this is all I know. This is all I'm gonna do. Alright. Stats. Alright, stats. Degrees, licenses. Lot of material. Minerals. Vehicles, mods. Vehicles. Mods. This looks super dodgy way to do this, but fuck, what can I do? Mods, and the last one's gonna be plans. Like this. Yep, that's where it's at. Remove character from database. What can I do? Oh, I've got to remove the house now. Oh, I've got to redo houses so big time. Alright, that's about as good as we're gonna get for that anyway. Until I fix the houses now. And then add it back to this. So that's that done. That's pretty much everything done, guys. Just those two major things I've got to do, which requires revamps, like really rebuild the system sort of thing. And then that just the latest bug. So this is where we're at. I'll see if it compiles, and yep, that's a bit done for today. So wait for it to compile. Looks like it's going to compile very nicely. Yep, there we go. Alright guys. Probably having a file with all little strings, just like an that probably. Oh yeah, it's an idea. How do you do metaphoric gaming? Welcome to the channel. Hit the subscribe button so you can pop up on screen if you haven't already. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll probably jump back to it tomorrow for another live stream. For the rest of the day I'm going to be working on a couple more videos to pump out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next stream. See ya.